Okay guys, this is 2015 Dodge Charger with 5.7 engine, and the transmission is WA, and it's also known as Mercedes transmission 722.6 5-speed transmission. So I already started. That's a little bit hanging out, but I already started because now so many videos people make it, but they cannot show it. And this is all-wheel drive, so we have very tight space. This is a 7 millimeter. To take it out, they have no Mercedes have a over here a drain plug, but Dodge don't have it, so it's a seal. So I have to take it out, lose it, and take it out some on the side, and that's how the oil. So before I started, I checked the temperature, oil, and everything, and it's 100% good. Code I'm getting is solenoid 2 and 3, and I'm sure this problem in normal this transmission, they have a conductor plate, they have a problem. And although it's a remanufactured or brand new from the Mopac parts 2018, it's showing over here if my camera can focus, but somehow dealer is not accepting the warranty, so I have to do this work. And let's see, bear with me, and we'll go step by step what's going on. Thank you.